I've seen some people who need help with adding custom animation files to models in Sonic Frontiers, so I wanted to make a quick tutorial on how to do just that. It's very simple. You're just going to need 3 things. You're going to need your custom model that you want to add the animations to, your animation files, and the tool that you'll need to do that, which is going to be the HedgeArcPack.exe. Now, if you don't have this tool already, I'll have a download link in the description. So once you have that, you're going to want to go grab your animation files. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Generations Tricks animations that I have up on Game Banana. I'll have a download link in the description for this as well, but this tutorial will work for any animations that you want to use. So if you scroll down here, you'll see that there's a zip for a download with the animation files only. You're going to want to download that. Now, I already have this on my computer, so I'm going to go there now. Here on my desktop, I have a folder that contains the zips for the HedgeArcPack and the Generations Tricks. We're going to want to extract both of these. And once these are extracted, I'm going to open up one in a separate window just so we can see what's going on a little bit easier. So if you've downloaded the Generations Tricks animations, you're going to see that there's a HedgeArcPack already included. We're going to pretend like that's not there in case you are using another set of animations. So here's our animation files that we want to add to the model. Now let's go open up our model. Here I have the Hedge Mod Manager open. I'm going to go find the model that I want to add our animations to. Here I'm going to be using the Sonic Model Tweaks by iMatty. I'm going to right click on this, click Open Containing Folder. Now once that pops up, we're going to be where this is located on our computer. I suggest going back one folder and making a duplicate of this in case anything goes south, or if you just want to have one version that's untouched and one version with your animation files added, so you can flip between them whenever. So I'm going to have this highlighted, I'm going to Control-C, Control-V. So I've copied and pasted a duplicate in our mods folder. And I'm going to rename it. Let's say Sonic Model Edits dash with animations. Now go in there. You're going to want to also change the name for the mod.ini. So open that up with Notepad or whatever text editor. Notepad is probably the easiest. Now just add with animations. This can be anything you want. You don't have to say with animations, but that's what I'm doing to distinguish it from the original. You're just going to want to change the title. That's it. Now File, Save, and close out of that. Now we can go add our animation files. So let's go to Raw, Character. Now here in our Sonic.pack is our model and all the animation files that Sonic uses. Now to open this up, we're going to want to click and drag it on top of our HedgeArcPack.exe. So just click, drag, and drop it right on top. And you'll see in the location where our .pack file was, there's going to be a new folder made. It's going to be named whatever the name of your .pack was. In this case, it's Sonic. So we have a folder named Sonic. So let's go in there. Now here you're going to see all our animation files and our model, and there's textures and all that good stuff. So now we're just going to want to copy these animation files into there. So here I have highlighted all the Generations Tricks. We're going to click and drag them over into our Sonic folder. And you'll see it says copy next to my cursor. Just make sure you copy them instead of move them. And that's going to ask you, do you want to replace the files with the same names? Yes, we do want to replace the files with the same names. If we don't replace them, then these files won't be there. So now that we've done that, we can get rid of this old Sonic.pack because this doesn't contain any of the animation files that we just added to this folder. So let's get rid of that. And now we're going to need to make a new Sonic.pack. To do that, we're going to want to do what we did before. Click and drag this on top of our HedgeArcPack. once you do that, a window's going to pop up like this. It's going to want to ask you what game you want to make the .pack file for. You'll see that there's all these games from Unleashed to Frontiers. Now, obviously, we're working with Sonic Frontiers, so we're going to want to type in one of these two things, Frontiers or Rangers. So Frontiers, enter, or Rangers, enter. I usually type Rangers because it's easier for me to type. Rangers, enter. Boom. Now a new Sonic.pack file has been created, and this Sonic folder, we can just delete that since it's not needed anymore. Now this Sonic.pack has all the animation files that we just added, and with that being said, you're done. You can close out of these windows, and if you go back into your Hedge Mod Manager, you'll see that next to the original mod is another one with the name that you made earlier, Sonic Model Tweaks - with animations. And if it doesn't show that, click the refresh button or just reopen it. So now with that, you're done. That's how you add custom animation files to models in Sonic Frontiers. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you. If so, give it a like and leave any comments if you have any other questions or if there's any other tutorials you'd like to see in the future. If it's something I'm knowledgeable on and can explain, I'll gladly make it. But anyways, thank you for watching. Take care.